doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs and besties. I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today we are in our Barbie Extra room because my last two dolls have arrived from the Barbie Extra Fly series. This is the first Barbie Extra Ken. He comes with a beach theme. This doll was $24.99 on Amazon. And we have another curvy Barbie Extra Fly doll with a beach theme. Since it's getting warm outside and we just made a backyard with a pool, I'm kinda loving this. And is that the June face sculpt? The doll has been freed from the box. She comes with a large hat. It's kind of translucent with a sculpted fringe, a pink paperboard passport, a pink Barbie Extra Fly ticket, another large ticket, a pineapple drink, an oversized pink heart bag with a Barbie Extra Fly tag that is shaped like a seashell, and a large sunblock, I'm guessing, or a decorative purse that says Extra Extra SPF 50. It opens at the top and is open at the bottom. The large pink bag is also open, so there's some storage opportunities there. The doll comes with blue glasses with white painted rims, pink, green, and gold palm tree earrings, 1, 2, 3, 4 necklaces, a large floral mesh cover-up. It is gathered at the waist, open in the front, and has large puff sleeves. It is definitely my favorite piece. She has a gold-colored belt that says extra, a frayed denim skirt that says extra, a two-tone bathing suit with white straps with no opening in the back, pink platform sandals, and a colorful extra towel. Love that texture. This doll has long wavy hair. It's 2 shades of brown, colorful eye makeup, a neutral lip color, and the screening looks pretty good. She is articulated with movement at the head, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, hip, and knee. The belt can be worn at 2 different lengths, and she looks like a close match for the made-to-move Barbie rock climber. But I think these are some fun fashion pieces that I will totally be adding to my doll wardrobe. Here is our first Barbie Extra Ken Extra, from the Barbie Extra Fly series. Like the previous doll, he also has a beach theme and 15 styling pieces. Or just pieces, because he also comes with a towel that feels like a real towel, only in miniature. It kind of feels like a baby rag. We get another paperboard plane ticket, a miniature yellow ticket, a yellow passport, a pink boogie board, it is solid on the back, a lavender bag that says Ken Extra and has a little star Barbie Extra tag. It does open in the top. He comes with a second crossbody bag, a coconut drink with painted details, purple headphones, a gold-colored watch, a gold-colored bracelet with a purple shell, and a white beaded bracelet or pearl bracelet, sunglasses, sandals with painted details, a pink and green 2-piece tropical outfit with ribbon waves at the bottom of the sleeves and the shorts. The pattern continues all the way around. The bottom of the sleeves are gathered and the top has a pink collar. This doll has rooted hair. It's brown and green with a side part, and there is some product in it. His eyes are brown. He has a nice clean screening, movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee, but no ankle joint. Looks like pink and green is Ken's color this summer. I am totally coming up with some Barbie the movie inspired looks next video. Or not, we'll just play it by ear. But we do have some pictures of mini dolls on the back of the box, which means we can make a miniature doll box. by recycling the packaging. So let's carefully cut it out. And I do have another box, so we can cut out a second picture and the logo. I use my paper cutter to trim it, including the logo, so we can place it in the corner and still see all the dolls. In the comments, you all wanted to know if we can make them a little more 3D. So let's take a second one and cut out the dolls. This takes some serious commitment. Once they have all been cut out, take the rectangle, place clear plastic from packaging on top, take a ruler and score a line going around it on all 4 sides, then score a 1/4 inch line on the sides, then move it over another 1/4 inch and score another line. Cut it out on the outside line, trim the corners to make a small tab, bend on the lines to make a clear box. I cut a small piece of craft foam, glue it behind the dolls, then glue them over their picture so they are lifted and create a little shadow. Once they have all been glued down, add the Barbie logo to the box, cut out another picture, glue it to the back, then tape it inside the box to make Barbie Extra Fly dolls for the dolls. This way does take a little extra work, but I kinda like the way it turned out. Thanks for the suggestion. And thank you for joining us while we took a look at some new Barbie Extra Fly dolls and made our own Barbie Extra Fly doll set in miniature. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.